candy, it's tea. Today it's tea. Hey there, hi there, hello there everyone. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I'm taking part in the Sticky Tuesday Challenge hosted by Janny and Diane from Deco Easy, and their co-host is Kiki at Kiki DIYs. Today's special project is in recognition of April being National Autism Awareness Month. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of the fun. Now let's get to my craft room. Come see what I made for National Autism Awareness Month. Bring your beverage, whatever you might like. Come on, let's go. You know the way. Vámonos. For this project, I used a Dollar Tree framed canvas, an assortment of paints, a Dollar Tree puzzle, some letter stickers. These are also from the Dollar Tree. I started by removing the canvas from the wood frame. I did this off camera because some people cringe at the sight of creators ripping these apart, but I was gentle. Next, I painted the canvas using the primary colors red, yellow, green, and blue, blending them together where two colors meet. I also took about 15 puzzle pieces and painted them using these same colors, and I also used the color white. Once the paint was dry on the canvas, I used my stickers to spell out the words until all the pieces fit, placing them on the canvas in a crossword puzzle pattern. That was fun. Next, I applied a thin layer of matte Mod Podge over the canvas to secure everything in place. Next, I applied a coat of the gloss Mod Podge to the picture frame and to all the puzzle pieces. I used wood glue and hot glue to attach the wood frame to the canvas. Did I mention that I ended up painting the frame black? I wasn't happy with the way it looked in the white. It wasn't coming together, but I really like the way the black frame looks. Which one would you have chosen? Next, I laid out all my puzzle pieces exactly how I wanted them and attached them to the canvas using hot glue. Well, this is coming together rather nicely. I chose this project for this video to recognize the month of April as National Autism Awareness Month. I'm also making this special project for a dear friend of mine who has a nephew with autism, and I think she's really going to like it. I took a small piece of black yarn and attached it to the back of the canvas with hot glue to use as a hanger. And here's the finished product. I think that I met the Sticky Tuesday challenge with this piece. I used paint, hot glue, wood glue, 2 types of Mod Podge, and stickers. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch the rest of the creators on this Sticky Tuesday challenge. The playlist, along with our hosts' channels, Deco Easy and Kiki DIYs, are linked in the description below. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!